Adabo. Sorry. The woman say position now Oba for Kotoko no. Obono Oboni here is going to be the loving and the toaster boy at Kotoko. Because our position Eugene, if we say many fee no. We a player na Oba Babo Kotoko midfield DM role no na Oboni here. Obeye memorable ewo Kotoko fans omo DM mu. Player bit say Kwaku Esien. You see for last of Chipsa. Mudasiru Salifu. Jackson Owusu. Samuel Anaba. Max Sechere. Omunyina omuba Kotoko no. Eugene, omunya a very short stint. But based on performance as a role no na no muboni ntini. Eugene, ebesine. Uhwe se Madiba aye the submission. Obo you see for last of Chipsa baso. Say every Kotoko fan at that period na ofolo Kotoko biano ebesine se wati din Chipsa Eugene. Baby Otibian or salute the name Chipsa because Chipsa ebe se Kotoko Jesse e the central midfield edema Kotoko Eugene obi ehunu de oyeye so the main sre minua Adabo ne say position na aba be fa no eye position na Kotoko supporters eni ejina ho papa eni ti na besine se Mudasiru Salifu oye free agent na Kotoko for e call say yemfa ne mra no Max Sechere wa Kotoko a full season but Kotoko ni bia discuss the performance and as a players omo bababo ni ye obo Max Sechere din all because no ye defensive midfielder na oye workaholic. I don't know the entire position no kwa no so we Kotoko player na bobo ni ye Kotoko players a special heart for you not to mention of Justice in Kukuble. Sanya Blay na nu ya no go ye interview or de Kotoko e call Dwaman so Eugene. Justice Blay has always been the lover boy and the darling boy to Kotoko fans. All because he started as a defensive midfielder for Asante Kotoko. And eventually on okra there near to me improvising no at other positions.
Fans appear and the late Papa Ako.
And the late Papa Ako, yes. So the person make nyina say France me da say. The person make 2 million fu nyina say position no ba bono. Onye serious. Omani training and very very superior to him. And now ojina match munswa even on a bad day Eugene. Oma fans knew say he is putting in an effort for the club because that position about bono. So we are very lazy Caribbean. O stand out as a player humode. So me Hilary Adabo or a new player from Samates. Ghana Premier League no Bobida. At Samates we all saw the performance of them at Samates. Samates ever be winning Ghana Premier League no. Adabo played a major role. Adabo played a major role. So I think say all be there. Ombe twaso na onye sa momo. Said ye be ya. Dear Kotoko fans are yet to players of our positions ni be dano. On also ever enjoy that same moment from Kotoko supporters. It is said American. This is a position that so now here you become an indelible mark in the sight of Kotoko supporters. It be sereno. On for the training serious. On making sure say the need jinem na or bobona. On my that attitude say he wants to give out his utmost best. So the the other players be to say Kwaku Esien, you see for like that Chipsa, Mudasiru, Papa Ako, Owusu Jackson, Max Sechere mo be no. And also he is going to be a toaster boy and a darling boy to Kotoko supporters Eugene.